welcome to another brand new video. And for this video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup look. This is just a very simple purple makeup eyeshadow. It's kind of a graphic liner and it's very simple to follow. So I put a light purple to dark purple and then the purple shimmer on top. And I match it with, it is a purple Maybelline lipstick. For this makeup look, it's a simple purple eyeshadow. It's very easy to follow and it's very short makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how I created this makeup, then keep on watching. To start with my purple shade makeup tutorial, let's put some lip gloss to moisten my lips. This is from Catrice Cosmetics. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Morphe x James Charles the mini palette. Let's pick up first light purple and applying it on my lid and blending it to create a soft transition shade. I put a tape to get this sharp clean edge of my outer V and been fascinated of this tape technique for my makeup looks lately. I also like to buff concealer at the end of my eye makeup look to clean the fallout. Picking up the purple shade and applying it to my lid. I'm using angled brush to create a winged line at my outer V. Picking up purple shimmer and creating a line above my purple shade using a tiny brush from Jeff Cosmetics. I'm applying the same shade for my lower lash line. Time to remove the tape, and this is the finished look of my purple eyeshadow makeup look. Just very simple, you guys, so you can easily follow it. Alright you guys, my purple eyeshadow is done. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in my next one, guys. Bye! By the way guys, I wanted to share with you that this dress I'm wearing right now is 17 years old. I bought this when I was 17 years old and I still fit it. I really like this dress and I like to keep it like as long as I can because it's a very nice fabric, it's very nice design and still it's fashionable to wear. And this is my makeup look with face mask. This is our advent candle. And let me show you guys what I bought last night. These pampas, very fluffy pampas. This is our entrance. And look who's hanging here, my bag.